Here's how to claim 3 months of free Discord Nitro through the Nvidia GeForce promotion, running from July 28th to August 24th, 2026. First, check if your PC qualifies. Open Task Manager, click Performance, and look at your GPU. If it says anything with Nvidia or GeForce, you're good to go. If you do not have an Nvidia GPU, you may still be able to claim it just by downloading the Nvidia app, but having an Nvidia graphics card gives you the best chance. Download and install the Nvidia app from nvidia.com if you do not already have it. Open it and log into your Nvidia account. Create one for free if you do not have one yet. Once inside, scroll down to the Rewards or Redeem section. You will see several rewards listed. Look for the Discord Nitro GeForce reward. Click View Details, then click Redeem. If prompted to sign in, do so and come back to the Discord Nitro reward. Click Redeem again, then click Submit to your profile. A redemption code will appear. Copy it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Nitro, then Redeem a code. Paste your code, and your 3 months of Discord Nitro will activate immediately. Do not wait on this. The promotion ends August 24th, 2026, and Discord has not even officially announced it yet, so most people do not know it exists. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.